Hello and welcome in my SUPERFUN YouTube channel. Choosing the best phone stand can be difficult because there are a variety of options from different brands on the market, such as Omaton, Leeson, Michuo, Ugreen, Jiucae. We have done a lot of research to find the top 5 best phone stands available. No. 5. Pitch Acrylic Cell Phone Stand, Portable Phone Holder, Clear Phone Stand for Desk. Compatible with Phone 13, 12 Pro Max Mini 11 XR8 Plus SE, Switch, Android smartphone, pad, tablet, desk accessories. Widely compatible, this cell phone stand is compatible with all 4 to 8 inches smartphones and phone cases, tablets, and e-readers, such as for Phone 13, 12 Pro Max Mini 11 Pro XS Max XR X876 6S 55S. For SSE Plus, Switch, iPad Mini, Samsung Galaxy S20/S20 Plus/Note 20/S10/S10, Plus Note 10/S9/S9 Plus/S8/S8 Plus, Google Pixel, Nexus, Samsung Tab, Kindle, Sony, Moto, LG etc. Patent applying. No. 4. Lamicall Cell Phone Stand, Phone Dock, Cradle, Holder, Stand for Office Desk, Black. Wide compatibility. This cell phone stand is compatible with all 4 to 8 inches smartphones in phone cases, like iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 13 Mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, 12, 11 Pro XS Max XR X876 6S Plus, Galaxy S21 Ultra, S20, S10, S9, S9 Plus, A71, A51, A11, Edge, Note 20 Ultra, LG, Sony, Moto, LG, Google Pixel, Nexus etc. No. 3. Jiucae 2-pack cell phone stand for angle height adjustable desk sturdy aluminum metal phone holder for iPhone, iPad, mobile phone, all Android smartphone, desktop. Wide compatibility for cell phone, smartphone, Kindle, mobile phone, smartphone foldable and portable. The compact and light design makes it easy to put in your backpack or pocket. A perfect companion for travel to multi-viewing angles. There are multiple viewing angles to choose from, you can always find one you like. The desktop phone cradle is ideal for watching video, recording and FaceTime calls. No. 2. Michuo 2 PCS Cell Phone Stand, Adjustable Angle Height Phone Stand for Desk, Fully Foldable/Portable Phone Holder, compatible for iPhone 14/13/12/smartphones. Set of 2 phone stand. The mechanical design makes the phone stand stable and durable, ideal for you to place your phone on it when watching video anytime and anywhere. SUPERFUN cares about your life quality, so we pack 2 stands together in case of need. This phone stand set is perfect for you to use in the office and at home. Free your hand and enjoy your life. No. 1. Omaton Adjustable Cell Phone Stand, C2 Aluminum Desktop Phone Dock Holder compatible with iPhone 11 Pro, SE, XR, 8 Plus 7 6, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel and more, silver. Adjustable angle viewing, multiple angles could be adjusted, 270-degree rotating, to meet your different viewing demand. Makes you hands-free to enjoy your games, videos, and FaceTime. Superior stability, we adopt thicker, 3mm, aluminum material and bigger size, 4.1 by 3 by 4.4 inch, to guarantee the stability. Please like and share my video and subscribe my SUPERFUN YouTube channel.